不焊，开始试。
Now it's wider. You can see here this become wider.
现在是人最宽的，现在是极限位置。
人到极限了。
所以是设计时候这个有啥改进。
This wire we test is 16 square millimeter. 2 wires total. Two wires total 32 millimeter square millimeter.
开始焊。
This for just the height. Okay, let's try weld. 对，高度没下去。是不是高度问题，还是它那个
高度问题。
Now we need to adjust this one lower by loosening this screw and turn anti-clockwise. Loosen anti-clockwise and tighten. When we adjust the positions, we press the generator. Press to this test mode. This one, test mode, yes. It goes to test. And then we adjust. Like now, we press the foot pedal, goes down, but without ultrasonic. If we want the head goes up, we press this button. It goes up.
Start.
Yes. Okay. Now is auto mode. Now goes to auto mode. Auto mode, it will weld automatically. Now it goes better. Okay, this is explain how to adjust the positions. Okay.